Hello, today I am going to teach you how to play the song yesterday on the guitar, the melody of this song. Um, in the music that I wrote as an arrangement for the class to play, I wrote this song so that two guitars can play it along with the recorder and with a piano section. Okay, so the part that I'm going to be teaching today is pertaining to the melody of the guitar. So here it goes. The first thing that you need to know is that here at the beginning, you have these two measures in which you do not play. That's why it says two in here. These two measures are rests. You just count them. Okay. Guitar number 2 and piano are going to be playing there. You start playing here, measure number 3. Okay, and you end up playing the first part here in these two dots, measure number 9. So you are going to play this part twice. Okay, so you start here, end up here, then begin here again, and end up here. Now, when you play this song, you are going to be putting your metronome at 80 beats per minute. Okay, so the song would have to sound like this: 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Okay, now let me break it down. As you can see in the screen, this song, mostly you are going to be playing it in strings number 3, number 2, and number 1 of your instruments. Now, let me clarify. String number 1, 2, and 3 are the highest strings in your instruments. This is string number 1, which is Mi. String number 2, which is C, in English is B. String number 3, which is Sol, in English is G. Now, for some reason, some of you are like left-handed, you play like this, you think that this string, that like the thickest one, is string number 1, and that is not string number 1, that is string number 6. That is Mi as well. This one is A or La, Re or D, and this one in here would have to be your third string. Second, first. If you are left-handed, this is the way you do it. Okay, but I'm explaining this for those of you who play in the right way, meaning not the right way, but meaning that you are right-handed. Okay, that's what I meant. So you start playing in the second fret of the third string, your G string, this one here. So you put your second finger and go. Then you move onto the second string, open, then second finger, then fourth finger, move to the first string, open, 2 and 3. Go back to number 2 in the first string, and then open, open. Here. Continue here. In here, you see that there is like a big gap between this and the next note. That means that in here you have a silence. You have to count 1 And then in beat number 2, you start playing right here. Look. 2, move to the second string. 3, 4. You see that when I play this, I started in the first string, open, and then move to the second string, play 3, 1, 0, and then move to the to the third string, to the second fret. So that would be 1, 3, 4. Then go here, second string, first fret, 1. This is beat number 2. 2. You put it together with beat number 3. You don't play in beat number 3. You just leave it, sounding in there. Okay, let it hang, and then in beat number 4, you play in the third string, second fret, and then you move here 0 in the third string. Second beat is 0, second string, and then 2 in the third string. You put this together with the third beat, and then move to the fourth string in here, second fret, and then right here 0, move to the second string, open, 0, 0, and then you repeat the whole thing again. Now let me play it in a slower version. I will set my metronome to 60 beats per minute. See how this sounds like. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Remember that when we play this in Mother's Day, it has to be at 80 beats per minute. So please, when you practice it very slow first, just at the speed that I am playing it right now, right? But then try to play it faster, okay? Because when you play it in front of your moms, you are going to be playing it like this. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right, guys. This is it. Hopefully, this tutorial might help you play the song correctly in your instrument.